Dr. Steve, I'm here with Rick Cheever. Now, he just got back from winning a 200-mile race in Silverton, Colorado. Hey, Rick.
Hey, Steve. Good
to
see you.
Yes, all right. So I'm here working on him. Right now, he's doing a race, 72 hours long. He hopes to do over 100 miles. I'm going to run a couple laps with him. Just got done adjusting him. How are you feeling now, man?
I feel great.
Yeah?
Nice and loose, relaxed.
Ready to go?
Ready to keep going.
So, this is Dr. Steve signing off. I'm going to go run some laps with Rick and just get his body functioning at 100%. Stay tuned for more.